Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to our channel, and today's video is going to be a haul video. I have ordered international makeup of over I think 1 lakh और यहाँ पर वो सारा सामान है, इसमें और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं that I've got. So a friend of mine went to US and she bought all this for me. So yeah, I'm going to be opening this in front of you. Honestly ये I think 1 महीने पहले आ गया था, but ये मेरे पास नहीं पहुंचा था because this was so heavy and दिल्ली से यहाँ तक ये नहीं आ पाता, कुछ ना कुछ टूट जाता. तो 1-2 दिन पहले मैं दिल्ली गई थी and I got this stuff with me. और अब मैं इसको ओपन करने वाली हूँ. so excited, मतलब मैं कब से ऐसे वेट कर रही थी कि मेरे पास आए और मैं इसको खोलूं. And the moment like I opened this thing, I was like, shit, I have to shoot a video. Guys, there's a whole lot of stuff in here. Let's begin the video, and it's gonna be a long video. So I'll try to keep everything really short. So yeah, okay. Start. We go. Oh my god, this thing is literally flooded. Okay, so I'm wearing our new collection. This is a very beautiful frock and it comes with a jacket. और ये है हमारा नया collection called Azur collection. You must check it out. It's inspired from Jaipur's Blue Poetry and it has got some really pretty dresses. So the link is in description. Please go and check. Let's start with the video. I'm just getting all the hudas out of this bag. Okay. Oh my god, that's like. So मुझे जो मेरी फ्रेंड है उनका नाम है सोन, तो उन्होंने मेरे को खैर मेरा इंटरनेशनल तो वो लेकर यही सामान, बट उनके पास काफी PRs आए हुए थे, उसमें से जो चीजें मुझे अच्छी लगी उन्होंने मुझे वो भेजी. She's a sweetheart. First we have this lip pencil by Huda. It's in the shade Rich Brown, and wait. Oh, this is a perfect brown. You can absolutely rock any nude color if you have this brown with you. So yeah. Then we have another. Oh god, ये नई चीजें खुलती नहीं मुझे. खुल जा भाई please. Okay, and this is another lip pencil by Huda. It's in the shade pink brown, and yeah, it's more like you can fill in your lips with this. Of course, not for lining your lips because it's on a very light side. So yes, but yeah, I love the color. Then we have blush filter. Oh, मेरे को ये blushes कब से चाहिए थे, तो मेरे पे patience नहीं. It's so beautiful, guys. I love the wand. Look at this. Wow. Ooh, it's so pigmented and at the same time it's so like blurry. Wow, इसकी smell भी बहुत अच्छी है. It's like chocolatey something. मजा आ गया. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you the shade. It's called Black Cherry, the one that I just applied. And we have another shade, like an orangish shade. Oh yeah, smells amazing. It's in the shade, wait, I'll tell you. It's in the shade Watermelon Pop Blush Filter. And I think watermelon for this is like very justified. And again, a cheek tint. Let's see what shade is about. Open ho ja bhai. Oh no. Okay, so I have another shade in this already, which is more like this, like a black cherry. This shade is really interesting. I mean, it's a very coral, but then a little orange. But I like these sort of neon shades. I really like them. Now we have this gloss that Huda recently launched. I particularly love this product because इसका जो applicator है ना is literally everything. My God, my hand is so full. मुझे 1-2 बार तो इसको हटाना पड़ेगा. Wow. कुछ हो गई. Love this formula. I have one in this already, but this was a different shade, and now we have another shade. Okay, this I'm not opening it now. I'm just telling you the shade. It's in the shade Pot. It's like a mauve color. Wow. This one, it's called Coco. Justified name. Love it. मजा आ गया. ढेर सारा makeup. So Huda is done. I'm just gonna keep it aside. Wait. All right. Now we move to Elf. We have 1, 2. This is the dupe of Charlotte Tilbury. If you see, it's their Halo Glow Beauty Wand. And wait, it's in what shade? Wait, it's in the shade Rose You Slay. Wow. How are you even supposed to? Okay. Just see that. Oh wow. इसका फॉर्मूला Charlotte Tilbury से काफी लाइट है and the pigment is also like good. It's not as good as Charlotte, but it's good. It's decent. Like for the price that you pay, it's fine. I am happy. This tint is so viral in India, out of India, but yeah, mostly you cannot get this in India. So look at this cute tint. Okay, wait, I've got this in a very nude color. ये दिखेगा भी नहीं शायद उतना अच्छे से. You know, influencers were raving about it and I wanted to get my hands on this. अभी इसका मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब the feel, but I'll have to see. Bringing back. अभी I'm just going in कैसे भी, okay? So okay. This House Lab का concealer लास्ट टाइम ये गलत शेड में आ गया था, बट आई हैड टू मेक श्योर कि मैं इस बार तो उसको सही शेड में लाऊं, बिकॉज इट इज सेल्फ सेटिंग एंड द फॉर्मुलेशन इज जस्ट सो गुड. आई लव दिस ब्रांड, आई लव इसके लिपस्टिक, आई लव एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस ब्रांड. सो वी हैव दिस हॉर्स लैब्स concealer. It's in the shade 10 light golden. Looks a little too light for me, but I can work it out. I love the formula. Anyways, I'll work it out. I don't know ये brush किसकी है, देखना पड़ेगा हमें बाद में. This one product, oh my god, it's from Chanel. But oh, I don't know. It looks a little too dark for me. Please don't. तो बहुत महंगा है यार, ऐसे मत कर. Medium, waterproof, यार medium नहीं. रुको. Okay. Oh god, oh no, it's light for me. It is light for me. I'm sorry guys, I freaked out because it's a very expensive product और अगर मेरे ये नहीं आता, सही शेड का नहीं आता तो बहुत ज़्यादा परेशानी होती. So जब मैंने इसको हाथ पे लगाया तो it looked pretty bad, but when I applied it on my face, I mean, it looked fine. Maybe it's color changing, I don't know what, but I have to make it work, okay? And this brush is, of course, for this, so it's more like a combo. Mama, I hope ये कुछ गड़बड़ ना हो, मुझे बहुत दुख हो जाएगा. Okay, I'm keeping the brush with this. All right, moving on. This is, it's from It Cosmetics और ये ब्रांड यू ओनली गेट ऑन अल्टा ब्यूटी. आई थिंक मेरा पूरा ये ऑर्डर मोस्टली अल्टा ब्यूटी का है, इसमें थोड़ा बहुत सफोरा भी है. सो इट्स द कलर चेंजिंग, कलर करेक्टिंग, फुल कवरेज, क्लीन, एंटी एजिंग, पता नहीं क्या क्या है इसमें एक सीसी क्रीम में. दिस इज वायरल फॉर अ रीजन. आई हैव टू चेक द शेड फर्स्ट. आई एम वेरी स्केप्टिकल अबाउट शेड्स राइट नाउ बिकॉज वैसे मेरा 4N आता है. इतना एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट है. हाँ भाई सही, एकदम परफेक्ट परफेक्ट आया है. ये मेरा ही शेड है, थोबड़े पे मैं यही लगाती हूँ. देन वी हैव इट्स फ्रॉम Hourglass. It's their concealer. It's again viral. Influencers the best. They keep raving about it. Again a little light, but I'm really not worried about the base products क्योंकि मैं उनको workout कर लेती हूँ बस. हाँ, because this is more like a skin tint, तो ये work नहीं कर सकता. Okay, I have to stop thinking about it. Then we have, this is really cute. It's from Physician Formula and it's this strawberry blush and ये इतना viral है भाई. लोग इसके बारे में इतनी बातें करते थे और लाइक पीपल आर मेकिंग अ डेडिकेटेड वीडियो ऑन दिस ब्लश ओनली. सो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मंगाया जाए और देखा जाए कि इसमें क्या है. और ओपन तो हो जा भाई. माय गॉड, इट कम्स विद अ ब्रश एंड लुक एट दिस, इज सो क्यूट. स्मेल्स अमेजिंग, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक स्ट्रॉबेरी. दिस इज निक्स. ओके, आई हैव टू एडमिट, भगवान जाने ब्रांड्स को क्या प्रॉब्लम है मुझसे. सो जब मैं थोड़े दिन पहले फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन वेंट टू यूएस एंड मैंने उनको बोला कि मेरे लिए फेंटी लेकर आओ. उसी महीने, यू वॉन्ट बिलीव, द डेट केम टू मी, यू नो, बैक फ्रॉम यूएसए. उसी दिन फेंटी इंडिया में लॉन्च हो गया. एंड रिसेंटली NYX NYX प्रोफेशनल मेकअप, दे launched this lipstick in India and I was like shit, मैंने इतनी मेहनत की थी यार, ये क्या बात होती है. So yeah, I got this lipstick by NYX. It's a glossy lipstick but it's smudge proof. It's in the shade, I'll tell you what, Rouge Liver, जो नहीं pronunciation होता उसको छोड़ दो. So I'll show you the color. It's so pretty. I think it's going to complement my skin tone really nice, so it's pretty. Okay. Moving ahead, I have Rare Beauty. वैसे इंडिया में भी है, बट मैंने सोचा जब इतना बड़ा ऑर्डर मैं कर ही रही हूँ तो फिर मैं Rare Beauty भी मंगा लेती हूँ. इट्स देयर लिप ऑयल. मोस्टली इंडिया में हमेशा आउट ऑफ स्टॉक रहता है, मुझे मिलता नहीं है. इतनी बार मैं Sephora चली गई. सो आई गॉट दिस इन द शेड हैप्पी. नॉट रियली हैप्पी विद द शेड दो. मेरे को भी पीछे से मुंह बना लिया बिकॉज नो, आई थिंक इट विल वॉश मी ऑफ. हम कुछ ना कुछ कर लेंगे दोस्तों, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Oh, then we have Fenty Beauty by Rihanna and I know it's available in India, but नायका पे मेरा जो एड्रेस रहा है वो मेरे पुराने घर का है, सो मेरे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है मंगाने में. That's why I ordered. Oh my god, I love it. It's so beautiful. मेरे को कब से चाहिए था. God, it's there. I think 24 karat something. Love it. मेकअप मेक्स मी सो एक्साइटेड. मेरे को लाइफ का पूरा एक्साइटमेंट सिर्फ मेकअप से आ सकता है दोस्तों. देन वी हैव, व्हाट इज दिस इज पेट्रिक्टा. I got a very unsung product from this, or I don't know if it's very viral. It's for face and body. Oh my god, look at this. It's a balm basically. So what you can, okay, I'll show you what it exactly does. So I have this on my hand. I hope it's visible. It just makes your body shine really nice. Smells Smell is okay, but the glow that it gives, I don't know if it's visible. Is it? मैंने एक्चुअली एक रील देख ली थी और उस टाइम मैं ऑर्डर करी थी तो मैंने मंगा लिया. तो I don't know. लोगों को इसके बारे में ज्यादा पता नहीं है. Is what I have heard. We'll see. आपको दिख जाएगा. मैं इसको यूज तो करूंगी. If my body is shining, just consider this is the reason. Now what do we have? Oh yeah, भाई ये एक प्रोडक्ट तो बहुत ही ज्यादा वायरल है. जितना हो सका वायरल प्रोडक्ट मंगाने की कोशिश की है मैंने. So this is NYX Pro Fix Stick. And what it does is it is like a all-in-one product. ये कंसीलर भी है, ये प्राइमर भी है, ये फाउंडेशन भी है. ये बेसिकली आपके कोई भी फ्लॉस को हाइड कर देता है. ओके सो लेट्स जस्ट टेस्ट इट आउट ऑन दिस लिटिल स्पॉट ओवर हियर. लगाया. I will just okay, the shade match is bad though, I know. It is quite high coverage, हाँ. ये छोटी सी स्टिक बहुत high coverage है वैसे. The shade match is bad, but the formula is good. And मुझे पता था इसका shade match गलत हो सकता है and I did not wanted to sleep on this. So I got myself 2 different shades. Don't worry. Moving ahead. Okay, so I got another. I hope this is my shade. I really hope this is my shade. It looks like my shade. Again, testing it on my hand. Yeah, this is a pretty good match. This is a pretty good match, and it's in the shade. Okay, मैं सिर्फ अपनी shade ही share करूँगी. It's in the shade 06 Natural. So then we have Fenty Beauty again. Don't ask me why. Oh, this is Fenty Beauty contour stick in the shade Mocha. Oh, perfect for me. Perfect for me. Finally. Okay, this is like a $4 or $5 product, but it is a game-changing product. It's Essence ka Lash Princess. It's their mascara, and I have heard so many people talk about this. Like Indian influencers are also raving over it, so I just had to see and I had to get this for myself. Right now, I'm wearing mascara. I won't be able to tell the difference, so let's just wait. You'll see my lashes in my coming video. So if they look good, this is the reason. If they look bad, again, this is the reason. Then we have L'Oreal finally. So this is L'Oreal's True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. So this is a skin tint which has serums in it, and it is supposed to give you that really nice glow and very nice base. So उसके लिए मैंने ये मंगाया है, and I think the shade looks pretty good. I have to see it. हाँ, the shade is pretty good. Oh, it's very runny, huh? It's very runny, and yeah, ज़्यादा coverage नहीं है. So yeah, I think it's true to its name. It's more like a serum. Then what do we have? Okay, Aquaphor. Finally, I have one product from Aquaphor. I have more products here, but like this is the first that I've unboxed. This is Aquaphor's lip repair. मेरे को इसकी बहुत जरूरत होती है दोस्तों, because मेरे hot बहुत मोटे हैं, तो मेरे को इसकी बहुत जरूरत पड़ती है. They get really chapped quickly. So yeah. Okay. Finally, a palette. It's by Juvia's Place. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I'm bad with pronunciations. Please be good. Please, ये टूटा ना हो भगवान. Please, टूटेगा तो मेरा दिल टूट जाएगा. Everything looks good as of now. This is good and intact. I'm so happy. Look at these shades. All the neons here, all the greens, all the pinks, giving me life. मजा आ गया. Okay, we have to change our lighting setup क्योंकि obviously light कम हो चुकी है. So guys, see you with good lighting. Then we have, oh भाई मेरे को कब से आरियाना ब्यूटी ट्राई करना था. मेरे पास एक प्रोडक्ट आया था, but the shade was so horrendous that I couldn't try. Oh my god, oh no. बच गया. I got this blue lip gloss. It's in jelly form and the applicator is everything. Has a iron ball inside. Oh वाह. एक्साइटेड हूँ भाई, मजा आ गया मेरे को तो. इतना सारा मेकअप देख के मैं हो चुकी हूँ खुश. इसमें थोड़ा से ठंडक मिल रही है हाथ पे, मेरे को फील हो रही है. सो आई थिंक इट हैज गॉट पेपरमिंट और समथिंग इन इट. ओके you guys, I've been wanting since so long to have a Morphe palette. I have one, but that's like terrible. वो टूट चुका, I don't know, for some reason. Please be good. Okay. We need a lot of courage for this. दोस्तों, please wish me luck. That it is good. It is fine. It is. Sorry. मैं रो दूंगी. अरे वाह, मेरी सुंदर पैलेट. तो कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. मुझे कब से चाहिए था ये पैलेट. I love you. I know my excitement is a little too much to handle, but please soak in. Please bear with me. I love the quality. Everything is so good. I'm so happy. I hope जल्दी ये brands इंडिया में आए. Guys, there's one thing जो मैं बहुत टाइम से मंगाने की कोशिश कर रही थी. बहुत ऐसी चीजें. ओह अरे क्या बात है. Sorry. I'm sorry. I know it's a little too much. We have one size this setting spray. It's mattifying and it's really, really good. Again, I have seen people like talk about it and you know loving it. That I ordered it twice. एक बारी एयरपोर्ट पे ही क्योंकि हैंडबैग में कैरी कर लिया था जो लेकर आ रहे थे तो वहीं पे इन्होंने डिस्पोज कर दिया था. बट फाइनली मेरे पास आ चुका है एंड दिस रियली मेक्स योर मेकअप लाइक your makeup doesn't budge. It's that good. Although these are all the things that I've heard about it, I have to try it and then only I can form an opinion. So call me a little biased, but लोगों को देख के मुझे already लग रहा है कि अच्छा है. Again, we have this bronzer cum highlighter from Physicians Formula and मेरे को इस ब्रांड की एक चीज बहुत अच्छी लगती है. I hope जल्दी इंडिया में आए. Is the way they present their product is so like genius. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो like look at this. I mean, it's a highlighter and a blush, but the packaging, the way the product is presented to you is lovely. I almost broke it. No. Oh, okay. The brush. Now, I finally have something for hair. Oh God, this is so huge. मैंने इतनी बड़ी बोतल मंगा ली क्या? Oh, all right. Okay. So let me give you some context first. This product is supposed to give you glass hair. I have seen people talking positive about it. I've seen people talking negative about it, and this is the reason why I am so stressed that मैंने इतनी बड़ी bottle मंगा ली. अगर ये बुरा हुआ then it's like a total waste. Whatever. I'll definitely try it out and let you know if this really does what it says or what it claims. इतनी बड़ी bottle कौन मंगाता है? बेवकूफ मैं. कोई बात. Now we have Huda's Grudge Lip Duo. What kind of lip duo is this? What? मैंने तो ये नहीं मंगाया. I think मुझे सोंदी ने भेजा है for sure because मैंने ये नहीं मंगाया है. It is their liquid black color की lipstick और ये क्या है? Black? A makeup artist is supposed to, I mean, I'm not a professional makeup artist, but a makeup lover should have everything, like a range, a spectrum of products. So this is the reason that I'm giving to justify the product. Then this one product by Maybelline. Oh shit, I hope this shade matches fine. I don't think it is. It's a little dark for me. Again, I'll work it out. It's Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Perfector 4-in-1 Glow. It's a primer, it's a concealer, it's a highlighter, it's a bronzer, everything in one product. And I'm really, really excited to try this. मैं एक बार खोल ही लेती हूँ. मुझसे रुका नहीं जाएगा. Okay. I think whoever said that you don't need to actually blend it also were right, because the coverage, the formula of this product is really smooth and it glides on your skin really nice. Impressive. I am highly impressed. भाई जल्दी इंडिया में लॉन्च हो रहा है दोस्तों, फटाफट खरीद लेना, बहुत अच्छा है. What is this? This is One Size Ultimate Powder something. Let's see. मैं भूल चुकी हूँ मैंने क्या मंगाया था. Maybe I think this is a freebie. This is a freebie. Okay, One Size का this pink powder. Again, I don't know how pink powders work for Indian skin because they mostly have warm undertones. So देखती हूँ if it works for me, I'll definitely let you know. इसमें एक चीज़ है जो मुझे दिख रही है ऐसे दूर से काफ़ी देर से, पर मैं उसे नहीं निकाल रही हूँ because मैं चाहती हूँ उसको लास्ट में निकालूँ. आई एम सेविंग द बेस्ट फॉर द लास्ट. Laura Mercier, मैं सही बोला है कि नहीं बोला? I have no idea. This one translucent powder, this one translucent powder, my God, everyone should get. Whether you're a professional makeup artist, I mean, of course, उन्हें तो मैं advice नहीं कर सकती, they know the best, but I'm telling you, like, if you want to really invest in a good translucent powder, this is the one. Everyone loves it. Everyone just talks about this 24/7. किसी भी makeup artist को आप ले लो. This is just the best. Then we have, oh wow. This is by Kiko Milani. It's their lip gloss, I think. Yes, it's their lip gloss, 3D Hydra lip gloss, and it's in the shade. The shade is not mentioned, but wait, let me open it up. I'll show you here. Oh, it has got shimmer particles, which makes it, very fun to work with. What do we have? Again, Patrick Ta. Finally have one. So yeah, let's see. Oh, भैया कहाँ से खुलेगा? खूबसूरत, अथा खूबसूरत. You have, I think, cream on one side and then powder on the other side. So you put cream and then you put powder and get set really nicely on your face. So I was about to, this is my Sephora order by the way. I was about to order a few more blushes, but then I thought let me just try one shade and see the formula and get introduced to the formula only. Then I will try some other shades. What do we have here? अगेन बाय फेंटी। लोग बोलेंगे बेवकूफ़ है, बाहर से फेंटी मंगा रही है। दोस्तों मेरे घर पे नहीं आ पाता, सॉरी। ये है फेंटी का नया प्रोडक्ट, इट्स इन द शेड ब्लेज डोनट। और भाई ये अभी नया ही लॉन्च हुआ है, एवरीबडी लव्स। आई लव रिहाना फॉर हर पैकेजिंग एंड द काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट शी मेक्स। वेट wait a sec. I just ordered 2 translucent powders and they're really expensive. I'll anyways send it to my sister because she sent me so many stuff. This is going back to my sister. Do we have, Aquaphor! It's their immediate relief for chapped and taft skin. मेरी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाती है सर्दियों में, that's why I've ordered this. Okay guys, finally मेरे पास मॉर्फी की ब्रशेस आ चुकी हैं। मैं कब से चाह रही थी मेरे पास, मैंने 2 बार ऑर्डर किया है, दोनों बार या तो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाती है मैं जब भी चेकआउट पे जाती हूँ, या फिर जिनको लाना हो, मतलब ऑफलाइन ही मैंने भेजा था। एक हमारे फ्रेंड थे, उनको भानु का मतलब एक फ्रेंड था, उनको हमने भेजा, वो ऑफलाइन स्टोर पे गए जस्ट टू गेट दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड ही कुडंट फाइंड इट एंड ही गॉट द आई शैडो आई थिंक brushes, but I wanted this, I wanted the same exact color. I'm so excited. I wanted to change my brush set since really long. Now is the time. Okay, patience इतना ही है मेरे में लाइफ के अंदर. My God, they're a piece of art. They're so pretty. अब दोस्तों मेरी अपडेट हो चुकी है ब्रशेस। आई वाज यूजिंग पैक्स ब्रशेस। पैक का जो प्रॉपर प्रोफेशनल सेट होता है वो मैंने पहले यूज किया है, मतलब मैं अभी तक वही यूज करती हुई आ रही हूँ। आई हैव अनदर ब्रशेस फ्रॉम शीन एंड देन फ्रॉम हुडा। आई एम रियली हैप्पी गाइज, आई एम जेन्युइनली वेरी हैप्पी। मेकअप हैज बीन माय पैशन सिंस अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम एंड गेटिंग दीज ब्रशेस वाज अनदर गोल। मेरे लिए यार छोटी चीज़ें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। The brushes are so smooth. I'm just so excited. So yeah guys, this was it. So you can see the amount of makeup that I've got for myself. I'm really thankful to you guys for always like supporting my makeup looks and always loving my makeup looks. And yeah, this is just an upgrade to my gadgets, you can say. But yeah, this was it for the haul. I hope you all liked it. मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक खुश रहिए, अपना ख्याल रखिए, keep glowing, bye.